Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2022 Volvo XC60 B5 Inscription in crystal white metallic with a gorgeous blonde Napa leather interior. New bumpers for model year 22. New drivetrain. This is a B5, which replaces the T5. So it's a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, but it also now has a small motor that recoups its energy from braking and deceleration, and that motor is responsible for ignition. So the start and stop option is seamless now. Dual integrated roof rails, panoramic sunroof. This has keyless entry and a hands-free power liftgate. This also has the protection package, so you get the rubber mats that snap into place as well as the regular mats, and you get this metal scuff plate on the back bumper, which is really nice. You also get the first aid kit. That's kind of new. So you get that instead of the metal Volvo license plate holder. Super bright open cabin, and you can see that crystal gear shifter all the way from here. That is an inscription detail, and it's gorgeous. This also has the climate package. So you have the option of the back seats being heated or having the booster seats with the climate package, and this one has the booster seats. So all the way up, furthest away, and all the way down. Easy to pop up, easy to put down. These seats are super comfortable, and these back headrests will fold down from a touch of a button right in the center stack. It has a 4-way climate control, so your passengers will be happy, and power to plug in out back. You also get the upgraded Harman Kardon stereo system with the Inscription trim level. Memory seating for 2 for both the driver and the passenger in this car. Your seat controls are right here. This moves forward and back. This moves the back of the seat, and there are 3 positions for the, I call this the toggle switch. All the way down will extend the leg piece. In the center, that will fill up the lumbar support, which is lovely, and then at the top that will fill up the side bolsters. A little Swedish flag sewn in. These seats are gorgeous. And this driftwood inlay is really, really nice with the blonde interior. This is a real crystal gear shifter. And at night, when the light kind of cascades down, this whole area glows. It's really beautiful. Your ignition switch is here. Wireless phone charger, cup holders, a little power. Your center screen, you can have the map show up, or you can have it just plain like this. I like to have the map in there. And then over here, if you'd like to see your mileage, you hit this guy, and now you'll be able to see the odometer 46. It's tucked away, a little tricky to find. Over here, this will always show up like this with your maps up top, your media, your phone, and down along the bottom here we can have our quick touch buttons with our music selections. This is your backup camera, crystal clear. It also, of course, comes on when you shift into reverse. Your climate control is right here. Choose where you'd like. You can even adjust the rear from here. and set up the winter selections. Your cooled seat, heated seat, and this is so fast. This is the new Google-based infotainment system, super fast. Your settings are here now, so you can do things like this. Hey Google, tell me a joke. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Here's a holiday joke. What's a snowman's favorite kind of lettuce? Iceberg.
But if you don't want everyone yelling, hey Google in the car, you can always turn that feature off. So that's helpful to know for some folks. And back to the settings. Your driving dynamics, you can change the steering wheel. How do you like that? A lot to know about these cars. This is available for immediate delivery. A gorgeous XC60 on our lot. It is stock number 22243. And we would love to see you on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine, because we've got your car. Hey Google, what time does Portland Volvo close today?
Portland Volvo cars closes at 6 p.m.
You have plenty of time to come get this car. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.